Lose or forget your key again. Your renters or employees leave without returning the key. Need higher security level for sensitive doors. You need a smart lock. Introducing Ultraloq UL3 Fingerprint and Touchscreen Smart Lever Lock. Ultraloq is simple, just touch to open. Everyone's fingerprint is unique and no one can steal it from you. Our advanced fingerprint technology uses a scratch-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof sensor to make unlocking easy and secure. It identifies you in less than 0.5 seconds. You can also gain access through a 4 to 8 digital password with up to 100 million different combinations and unique anti-P password technology. You still have the mechanical key for backup. Ultraloq integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies to eliminate the use of key. You will never be locked out again. For quick user management, just use touchscreen to simply add or delete user on the device. Ultraloq has an outstanding battery life, up to 8,000 times of access, powered by 3 AA batteries. Ultraloq is IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof with strong zinc alloy casing. We selected the best chip providers in the world to ensure best performance. Ultraloq is ideal to be installed in your storage room, office, home office, rent home, gun room, wine cellar, etc. It makes your life much simpler and safer. Ultraloq. Simplify your safety.